Global shipping is vital, but its environmental impact is significant. Schomberg's innovative technology minimizes environmental harm while maximizing efficiency. Cleaner hulls mean less fuel consumption, reducing emissions and lowering your carbon footprint. Our eco-friendly technology protects marine ecosystems by preventing the spread of invasive species. Schomberg is compliant with the strictest international environmental regulations, ensuring sustainable shipping practices. Together, we can make shipping sustainable, one hull at a time. Schomberg, cleaner oceans, greener shipping.